Yes and yes, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste. These are the dawn Saturday quiz of the month July 2K24 2024. Geography का है फर्स्ट वीक का. The United Kingdom is made up of four countries: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Which of these is the biggest one? So England is the biggest one. Question number two. What river runs through 11 African countries? So the river is the Nile. It runs through 11 African countries. Question number three. The earth is divided horizontally by the equator and vertically by the prime meridian and the international deadline. There are generally considered to be four hemispheres: southern, northern, eastern, and western. Can you guess which hemisphere is Argentina located in? So the answer of question number 3 is the southern hemisphere. Question number 4. What natural wonder located in the southern hemisphere is known as the world's largest coral reef system? So the answer of question number 4 is the Great Barrier Reef of the east coast of the Australian state of Queensland. Question number 5. Name of the longest river in South America, which is also the largest river by discharge volume of water in the world and the second longest river system in the world. So the answer of question number 5 is the Amazon River. Question number 6. Which mountain range runs along the western coast of South America? So the answer of question number 6 is the Andes Mountain. Question number 7. Which river is often called the father of waters and is the longest river in North America? So the Mississippi River is often called the father of waters and is the largest river in North America. Question number 8. In which ocean is the Bermuda Triangle located? So in Atlantic Ocean, the Bermuda Triangle located. Question number 9. Which African country is the most populated? So Nigeria is the most populated country in Africa continent. Question number 10. Which ocean lies between North America and Africa? So the Atlantic Ocean lies between North America and Africa. Then second week's quiz of July 2024. These questions are about Olympic Games. First question. The Summer Olympic Games will start next week from July 26, 2024 in Paris, France. When will these games end? So the answer of first question is on August 11, 2024. Question number 2. How many times has Paris hosted the Summer Olympics before 2024? So the answer of second question is twice, in 1900 and the second one in 1924. The games returned to Paris after a century. Then, what new sport will debut at the Paris 2K24 Olympics? So the answer of question number 3 is breaking or break dancing. So this is the new sport. Which country has hosted the most Olympic Games? So the answer of question number 4 is the United States. Question number 5. Who has won the most Olympic gold medals in history? So the answer of question number 5 is swimmer Michael Phelps, who has won the most Olympic gold medals in history. Question number 6. The Olympic flag is the Paris 2K24 mascot decked out in blue, white and red, the colors of France's famed tricolor flag. The name and design were chosen as symbol of freedom and to represent allegorical figures of the French Republic. What thing does the Olympic flag actually represent? So the answer of question number 6 is the Phrygian cap. Question number 7. In which year were the first modern Olympic Games held? So the answer of question number 7 is 1896. Question number 8. Where were the first modern Olympic Games held? In Athens, Greece. Question number 9. What is the symbol of the Olympic Games? So the symbol of Olympic Games is the five interlocking rings of the colors blue, yellow, black, green and red. The number represents the five continents. After Olympic Games, the third one week's quiz are about science. Question number 1. What is the term for the gradual increase in the Earth's temperature due to human activities? So, this term is global warming. Question number 2. Which planet in our solar system was demoted to a dwarf planet in 2006? So, this one is the Pluto. Question number 3. The first smartphone is credited to engineer Frank Canova SR, who developed the Simon Personal Communicator in 1992. It went on sale in 1994 and featured a touch-screen email capability and built-in apps, including a calculator and a sketch pad. Which company launched this phone? So the answer of question number 3 is IBM. IBM company launched this phone, and the credit of this one went to Frank Canova sir. Question number 4. Which dwarf planet discovered in 2005 is sometimes referred to as the 10th planet of our solar system? So the answer of question number 4 is Eris. Question number 5. Which phenomena does the Beaufort scale measure? So the answer of question number 5 is wind spelling. Question number 6. What type of cars becoming more popular in the last decade run on both gasoline and electric power? So the answer of question number 6 is hybrid. Hybrid cars becoming more popular in the last decade run on both gasoline as well as on electric power. Question number 7. The MP3 player is a portable audio device introduced in 1995 where compressed digital audio files are stored and people listen to songs saved on it in the MP3 format. What is the full form of MP3? So MP3 is the abbreviation for MPEG, audio layer 3, where MPEG stands for Motion Pictures Expert Group. Question number 8. Which renewable energy source uses the power of the sun to generate electricity? So the answer of question number 8 is solar energy. Solar energy is the renewable energy source uses the power of the sun to generate electricity. So these are the questions of the month July 2024. So dear seniors, these were the questions of Saturday Dawn quiz of the month July 2024.